Hey everybody, welcome to Honey's Dips. I am Honey, and on this channel, when I dip, you dip, we dip. And now dip for the day are glitter wine glasses. Let's get dipping. Here's the things you'll need to make the wine glasses. First, you'll need a wine glass. I get mine from IKEA. You can also get them from the Dollar Tree or Michael's. Rubbing alcohol, you don't have to worry about the percentage. I get mine from the Dollar Tree. You can also get it from Walmart. Masking tape, Mod Podge. I get mine from Walmart or Michael's. Hobby Lobby or Joann Fabrics also have it. Glitter, I get my glitter from Michael's. You can get it from Hobby Lobbies or Joann Fabrics. Any crafting store will sell glitter. It comes in chunky, fine, extra chunky, and extra fine. This bag is a mixture of chunky and fine. A container to keep your Mod Podge in so it won't dry out. And a paintbrush. I get my paintbrushes from Michael's and Hobby Lobby. A napkin to clean your glass off. And something to catch your glitter on. First, you're going to take the paper towel and the alcohol and clean your wine glass. You will want to clean all surfaces of the wine glass, including the stem and the bottom. Then we're going to take our masking tape and tape off the rim of the glass. Make sure to get the tape as evenly as possible. Then you will take your Mod Podge and your paintbrush and start painting the wine glass. Be sure to cover all surfaces of the glass and make sure that you're right at the tip of the masking tape. Be sure to put on an even layer of Mod Podge on the wine glass, including the stem and the bottom. Then you will sprinkle the wine glass with the glitter, making sure to cover all surfaces of the wine glass. Tap the bottom of the glass to remove excess glitter. Here it looks like I missed a part, so just put a little bit of Mod Podge and sprinkle a little bit of glitter. Let this sit to the side for about 20 minutes. Now it's time for your second coat of glitter. Cover the entire wine glass with Mod Podge. Be sure to cover all surfaces. This is your final coat of glitter, so make sure you put enough Mod Podge on. Then you will sprinkle the glass with glitter, cover the entire glass. Check to make sure the entire glass is covered in glitter. Tap the excess. Make sure to pour your extra glitter back inside of your container. Never want to waste glitter. Now you will remove your masking tape. It's better to remove the masking tape while the Mod Podge is still wet. Now you're adding on your final coat of Mod Podge. This will be called a sealer. This will seal your glass to protect your glitter from being damaged. Be sure to get as close to the tip of the glitter as possible with the Mod Podge. Make sure the entire glass is covered in Mod Podge. Let this sit for 24 hours, and once it's done, this will be your finished product. I'm Honey, and thanks for watching this dip.